Base fixed. Start grid.
Maggot, depth 1 meter.
Centimeters here.
Mat staged by grid line.
Grid A1 to A2 done.
Depth is on tolerance. Ladder tied, enter safe. Shoreline approved. Pump on, watch turbidity. Clarity within limit. No one inside red zone.
5-star tech 4.1.
Cut to mark, hold steady.
Got the peak. Cover blocks every meter. Spacing verified, good.
Template centered on grid.
Slump okay, stop pool.
Keep off. Curing cycle.
End stops installed. Rated.
4 starters aligned. The repeat streakers up, set it.
Side lap tight. Drive screws.
Stud weld passes, continue.
Now, no delays.
Base plates flat. Start build.
Green tag only, then climb.
Keep the duct opening square.
Pin it, then bolt it.
Seam tight drive fasteners.
Ridge sealed and bailed, no gaps.
Seal every corner, no shortcuts. No drip. Penetration passed.
Skirts level, panel next.
Seam tight, fasten top row.
Shim set. Lower gently.
Let's get Terry out 6.
Clear height confirmed, good.
Within 1 millimeter. Tack only, final after check.
Same plan, watch overhead. Lock dogs.
Clean indication, accept. Easy down, touch saddles.
Heat number matches, proceed.
Slope correct. Lock supports.
Cross tighten, keep it square. Half inch, then stop.
Level holds, ready to grout.
Batch time logged. Continue.
Match the flange holes.
Leave the movement gap.
2-inch thickness.
Slope the tank. Check twice.
Hanger spacing meets code.
Watch radius, no kinks.
Loop tags match, good. Overlap downwind, seal it. Stud wall plumb, anchor it.
Leave panel cutout intact.
Fire seal complete, sign it. Prime code even, keep going.
DFT meets spec. Approved.
Please start. That's 6 to new planes, Trio.
Do not step. Wet floor.
Lights on, check shadows. Torque sequence complete, tag it. Blinds in, prep for fill.
No leaks. Maintain hold.
Hydro test passed, documented.
IR reading acceptable, log it.
Loop 12 calibrated. Next.
Trip works, reset sequence.
Flow test passed, reset.
Dry out profile loaded. Stand by.
Vibration normal, continue run.
Tag it red. Fix today.
Support reset torque. No sharp edges, safe. Safety checks complete, sign off.
Tool count clear. Keep cleaning.
Keep exits unobstructed.
Purge verified. Ready for light off. Level steady.
Ramble steady. Ramp approved. Zone clear, continue blow. All reds closed, good.
Confirmed.
Walkways clear, no debris.
As-built, complete, ready, handover.
Boiler island complete. Components match final checklist.
Performance data recorded. Stable.
Temporary fence removed. Done.
Stable. End of work.
Subscribe, like, and share.